Most people use AI like ChatGPT and Google Gemini, but almost nobody is using NotebookLM, especially for learning languages. And that is a huge mistake, because NotebookLM might be one of the most powerful language learning tools. And today I will show you how to use it to learn English, French, German, Japanese or any other language faster. So let's go. Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Boris and I help people learn English or any other language with the help of AI or any other modern tool. So today we'll be talking about NotebookLM by Google and how you can turn it into grammar explainer, a vocabulary trainer and much more, all using your own material. So first, what is NotebookLM? NotebookLM is an AI-powered notebook created by Google. You can upload different resources, PDFs, Word files, Google Docs, study notes, articles, grammar books, or even audio files and videos. And then NotebookLM becomes an AI assistant trained on those resources. And for language learning, it is a game changer. Why NotebookLM is perfect for language learning? Traditional AI like ChatGPT and Google Gemini gives you general answers. NotebookLM gives you personalized answers based on your resources, and that is important. That means no random vocabulary, no advanced grammar that you don't need yet, no confusing explanations. It works inside your learning context. Now let me show you a practical ways how to learn NotebookLM for language learning. If you visit notebooklm.google.com, click on Create New Notebook. You can drop your files or choose to upload your files. I will choose an English grammar book, an IELTS preparation PDF, or even your study materials. It may take a while to load these materials. While it's been loaded, I can rename this untitled notebook to something that makes sense. In my case, I will call it English Grammar. And now, all my docs are finally loaded. I can start asking my questions. Explain present simple tense in simple words. As you can see, it generates the answer based on your documents. Now, let me ask NotebookLM to give me 3 tips for IELTS learning test. This is perfect for A1, A2, B1 learners who feel textbooks are too complicated. Next, vocabulary learning. You can upload reading articles, short stories, news texts, and even YouTube transcripts. Let's say I don't want to keep uploading new files. So what I can do is I'll keep asking new questions from the files I already uploaded. Then ask, extract the most useful vocabulary for daily conversation. Oops, I made a typo. By the way, a typo is typographical error. In this case, I misspelled the. It's very useful. NotebookLM can correct you based on your material, especially if you provided IELTS preparation guide. We all know that grammar is boring, right? But not if it's personalized. What grammar mistakes do learners usually make during IELTS exam? And as you can see, it generates common mistakes. Next, you can ask how to avoid those mistakes. Suddenly, grammar makes sense. And last but not least, why NotebookLM is better than regular AI for learning languages? Let's be honest, ChatGPT is great, Google Gemini is amazing, but NotebookLM is focused. No general explanations, answers are based on your content, perfect for exam preparation, perfect for structured learning. It's especially powerful if you study for IELTS exam, follow a course, learn with PDF. It's organized learning. If you're learning English or any other language and not using NotebookLM, you're just missing out. You're just not using one of the strongest AI tools. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and let me know down in the comments if you already used NotebookLM. If you like it or you don't like it, either way, let me know. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.